And this one is pasalo or assume balance, a corner and unit. Alam nyo ba guys, sa mga properties na for sale sa house and lots, ito ang pinakaunang nasusold out. Yung corner at end unit. Property details: near gate, 2 bedroom, 1 toilet and bath, lot area 68 square meter, and floor area 40 square meter. Unit exact location, block 15, lot 48, phase 3. At dito na tayo guys sa cash out. 900,000, but the good news is pwedeng 2 gives. Ang monthly amortization nito ay 23,621. Nakabank financing for 15 years. Ang nahulog na ni owner 26 months. So the remaining balance is 12 years and 10 months. For those who are interested to assume this property, feel free to contact. My number is on the screen. This is Beth, licensed realtor. Thank you guys. Thank you everyone.